Yes, ma'am.
In other classes, there were less students today?
No, ma'am. In first class, there were, ma'am, 17 students.
17 students. Right now, there are only 5 students.
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
So let's wait for them to start. Did you work on that project work?
Ma'am, I have collected some information on it.
Very
nice.
nice.
Ma'am, I also some information. Ma'am, I will speak today and I will send to you.
Okay, try to speak in Punjabi language. Okay, try to speak in. Yes, it will be good, no?
Ma'am, I don't
know Punjabi language.
Yes, try to speak 1 or 2 dialogues in Punjabi language.
Yeah.
Huh?
Ma'am, I don't know the Punjabi language. Ma'am,
I also.
You can take help from your parents, no? They will help you out, I'm sure.
Ma'am, they are not from Punjab.
No problem. But you can search a few dialogues on internet.
Then
how to give your introduction. How do you wish in Punjabi language? Don't you say Sat Shri Akal? You can do that.
Ma'am, what we say?
Sat Shri Akal. Sat Shri Akal. Don't you say like that?
Sat Shri
Akal. Sat Shri Akal. Okay, just try to do. Okay, if you are not able to do, then also it's fine. Make your presentation very powerful, very nice, presentable. And it should include every detail that you are including.
Ma'am, I know, ma'am, hi. Ma'am, I know, ma'am, how to say hi in Punjabi.
How?
Only, ma'am. Ma'am, Dusty. Ma'am, Dusty.
No, beta. I have like never. This. Yes?
Ma'am, Dusty is written in the Google.
No. Okay. Then what? Your video should not exceed 1 minute 30 seconds. It should just complete within 1.5 minutes. Okay?
Ma'am, my video can complete in 1 minute 30 seconds.
Ma'am, yes. My 30 seconds.
No, 30 seconds is a very short time, beta. 30 seconds, your information will also not come and you have to speak something in the background. If you are making a presentation or a video on the pictures that you have collected, put some background music. The background music can be Punjabi. Okay, a little background dholak sound.
Bhangra.
Yes, bhangra sound, anything, but it should not be very loud. Why? Because your dialogue or what you are speaking will not be audible. Okay? The listener will not be able to hear what you are speaking. And also,
Ma'am, can we do this thing that when we are speaking, we not do dialogue, ma'am? When we are showing the pictures of that dialogue, ma'am, can we do the music then?
Yes, you can do the music. And in the beginning, you have to give your introduction. I am Varin Goyal from class 4th C. I am going to speak on the topic food and languages. Okay, like that.
Okay. Ma'am?
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, our video should be of 1 minute 30 seconds with included our video and photos.
Yes, including your introduction, your photos, and whatever thing you are preparing. Now did I show you the video of Sikkim?
Yes, ma'am, you have shown.
Did I send it to you on your WhatsApp group?
No, ma'am.
I will send it to you right now. I am sending it to you right now. Just have a look.
Ma'am, you are sending on WhatsApp?
Yes, on the class group. So that you get a little idea how it is to be done.
Okay.
I have sent.
Ma'am, what we are doing?
Yes?
Ma'am, what we are doing?
What we are doing, beta? We are discussing the project work that we are supposed to do.
Okay.
Not all of you gave me your names on what topic you are going to speak. Abhimanyu Srivastav gave his name. Lakshita, Adrika, Varin, Utsav, Iram, Prasun, Gunagya, Ashvik, Dev, Jayesh. Is there anybody else who is left to give his or her name? No one is left?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Dev, I have just sent a video on class group, beta. Please have a look at that video.
Ma'am, I have seen the video. And
Ma'am, I am
he
just watching that. Ma'am, I
Yes,
am
watch
watching.
it.
is speaking in another language that we have also to speak in some words in Punjabi.
Yes, you can speak a few words in Punjabi.
Ma'am, I am saying that.
हिमालयों का एक परिवर्तन परिदृश्य जहां भारत का 88,686 मीटर कंचनजंगा छत सिक्किम.
Ma'am, I have looked.
I have?
Ma'am, I have seen that video.
Okay. Everyone has watched it?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, how
Yes, this is a very short video. Beta, this is a very short video. It was just to give you a little idea how you will be doing your video, how you will be making your presentation. Fine?
Yes.
Children, are my signals fine today? Or my video is pausing?
No, ma'am, your video is not pausing.
Ma'am,
Your signals are fine.
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, they were speaking in Sikkim also.
Yes.
Ma'am,
So see, it was looking so good.
Sikkimi.
It was looking
Yes,
so good.
Ma'am, so we don't know, ma'am, Gujarati, ma'am, Punjabi.
Okay, you can tell me your dialogues. I will help you out with Punjabi language. Okay?
Ma'am, I can tell you.
Ma'am,
now.
I can tell you.
You can send it
Ma'am,
to me
I
on
can tell
WhatsApp.
you now.
Send me your audios, but I will help you out after the school.
Ma'am,
Okay?
I will
Ma'am,
send you
can I
photo.
send you my dialogue on the WhatsApp?
Yes, I will tell you on WhatsApp. And one more thing,
Okay.
Rachit Singh, you were not present in the class yesterday, beta. You missed out what is to be done for the project work. Rachit, are you listening to me? Please open your camera.
Ma'am, this video is very good. Ma'am, but I have a question.
Yes. What question?
Ma'am,
beta?
how he can speak in the same language as the Sikkim has?
He must have learned it. He must have Googled what is to be spoken. He must have
Ma'am.
translated it.
Ma'am, I have sent it to you on your personal number.
Ma'am, I am also sending.
So you want to speak all of it in Punjabi?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Ma'am, we all
Okay,
have to
Varan,
speak
listen.
in Punjabi.
Varan, you are working
ma'am.
on festivals of Punjab, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So is it the only thing that you will be speaking on? You are going to only speak on Lodi?
No, ma'am.
Then what else? Along with Lodi, you have Baisakhi also, right?
Yes.
And then did you Google out more things, more festivals that are celebrated in Punjab? Festivals that are celebrated in Punjab?
No,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
Did you?
Ma'am, I have Googled.
Okay, so
I have
there are
Googled all
11.
the
If we Google,
important.
wait, let me finish. If we Google, there are 11 festivals celebrated in Punjab. I'm not telling you to include all 11 festivals, but we can at least have 5 festivals or 4
Yes,
festivals,
ma'am.
right? So we
Okay,
have
ma'am.
Baisakhi as the chief festival, Lodi as the chief festival. Then let's talk about Guru Purab, the birthday of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Guru Purab is such a big festival and it is celebrated in Punjab. It is a holiday in Punjab. Do you know that? Guru Purab. It is also here. Then we have, along with Guru Purab, we can...
Ma'am, I have one day that is celebrated in Punjab.
What?
Ma'am, Punjab Day.
Punjab Day is also celebrated.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, you can Google it. Ma'am, there is written that Punjab Day is also celebrated.
Okay, so along with that, if yes, you must Google. Varun, don't just make your presentation like just a normal information. Your presentation should be informative for others. Okay? When other teachers of the school will watch your video, they should also see something that's wow, we
Ma'am,
didn't know
today's
and the
Punjab
child has
Day.
included this thing. Yes, Utsa?
Ma'am, today's Punjab Day.
Today's Punjab Day. Oh,
Yes, ma'am.
congratulations to all of you. We are working on the Punjab presentation. Good.
All the important and historical 30 monuments and places of the Punjab.
Ma'am, I have a query on Punjab.
Yes, ask.
Ma'am, I am doing on culture of Punjab, but ma'am, can you tell me what points I can include in culture of Punjab?
Okay, wait. I will tell you, beta. I'm taking the screenshots for Varun first. I'm going to help him out in his project work. Who all are speaking on festivals? Adrika is also speaking. Adrika is not present in the class today. Abhimanyu, what are you speaking on?
Ma'am, send on the group.
Okay, beta.
Ma'am, Rijan.
Ma'am, on your personal number.
Yes, yes, yes.
Ma'am, I can also send.
Wait. This thing. One is Jor Mela also. One of the festivals of Punjab, Shahidi Sabha. Shahidi or Jor Mela is a 3-day long religious sabha. It is organized every year in December at Gurdwara Fatehgarh Sahib. So see, when you will Google, you will come to know so many different things. And beta, when your presentation has to be 1.5 minutes long, then there must be a little content in it. What are you going to speak on, Lodi? We just have to brief every festival. Like now we have collected 4 or 5 festivals. You just have to say what is that festival and when it is celebrated. Fine?
And we have to make our own video also.
Yes. When you will do so much effort, so much hard work, how will teachers come to know that which student has done it? You have to show your face.
Ma'am, I can do this.
You have to include yourself in the video, like you have seen that Sikkim video, how beautifully the boy has included himself in the video. Okay? Rachit, just think of your topic. What are you going to speak on? Note down the topics. Krishna, if you have not noted down the topic, beta, just note down.
Ma'am, on which
monuments?
Ma'am, which topic can I speak?
I'm telling you, no? Places and monuments, write it down. You can choose any one topic. Write in your copy or your book at the back side.
Ma'am, I have 2 places and monuments.
Devarya, please don't disturb in between. You have a habit of talking in between unnecessarily. Let the students write who have not written them. Kushag, beta, even you write if you have not written the topics.
Yes,
Places and
ma'am.
monuments, food and language. These are 2 topics. First, places and monuments. Second, food and language. The third is culture of Punjab.
And ma'am, clothes.
No. Clothes is the 4th one. Costumes of Punjab.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Costumes of Punjab. Then we have festivals of Punjab. Rachit, are you writing? I'm specially speaking for Rachit and Krishna. Are you writing, both of you? You were not there in the class yesterday. And the last topic is traditional things and religion.
I am here in the last class.
But are you writing, beta? Are you writing writing down what I'm speaking?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, Ma'am, I have collected information of festivals of 4-5 festivals.
Very nice. Good.
They are very, ma'am, they are very big, so I will make them short and then make
Yes, you can.
a video.
And you have to crop the images that you have taken. You have
Yes,
to
ma'am.
crop these images. Then you
Ma'am,
have
I have
to
taken
put them in your
Ma'am,
presentation. You have to create a
And the
video.
picture that I have sent you, ma'am, can you translate that in Punjab?
Yes, I will do it for you, beta.
Yeah.
Ma'am, we can
Just
cut
one
out
or two
pictures.
lines you can speak in Punjabi. Yes?
Ma'am, we can cut out pictures from our book also.
The presentation has to be done in your phones or your computers, tabs, whatever devices. You don't have to make a 3D project. Okay? It is a presentation in your phones. You have to send it. Yes, you.
Please tell me
Ma'am,
that
but I planned.
I can't understand. What are you saying? Krishna, what are you speaking on?
Ma'am, can I speak in food?
Yes, I'm writing your name in food.
Ma'am,
That's
ma'am, but I have planned all things in the tree.
Dave, please type in the chat box. Your signals are very weak.
Ma'am, I have created.
Dave, the whole period will
Ma'am,
get
I have
wasted
learned
like this.
all-
Type in the chat box. I can't understand what you are speaking. Your signals are too weak. Type in the chat box, beta, whatever you're trying to speak. Nobody can understand what you are speaking.
Ma'am, what points I have to include in culture of Punjab? Ma'am, can you tell after the class?
Yes, I will tell you right now only.
Okay, ma'am.
Rich culture of Punjab. Now, we know that Punjab has one of the richest cultures in the world, right? Its diversity and uniqueness is evident from so many different fields. Now, what are those fields? Music, cuisine. Cuisine is what? Fooding. Okay. Then military warfare. Then we have this thing, spirituality, because people are very spiritual in Punjab. So you can include these 4 points on which Punjab's diversity and uniqueness can be seen. Then you can have images. Now in images, see, the ladies of Punjab just doing the charkha kind of a thing. When you will Google the images, beta, you will see so many different things.
Okay, ma'am.
People doing bhangra dance. The ladies of Punjab are having gidda. This is what? This is all the culture of Punjab. Then people living in villages, working in the fields. These all things. This is the rich culture of Punjab. Then you can also show like the men of the villages sitting on those manjis, what you call. You know what a manji cart kind of a thing. And then they have their proper cows and buffaloes in their homes in villages.
Yes, ma'am.
So you can talk of all these things. When you'll Google the images, you will see a lot many things, Iram.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, I can include all the culture of Punjab, ma'am, points I can include.
Yes. You can include many
Ma'am,
points.
please see the chat.
Okay, now let me come to Dev's point. What is Dev saying? Ma'am, I have projected some things in 3D vision on important places and monuments.
Tell me what song.
3D vision. What do you mean by
Forgot
3D vision? I have projected some things. Okay, beta, if you have projected, then you can show me. Send it to me personally. I'll see. Okay, what else? Now, anybody else wants to ask anything? Utsav Gangwar. Ma'am, this I will...
Ma'am, please tell me one the song which is in Punjabi language.
Which song? Any this thing, traditional song of Punjab. But why do you want to put a song? You can simply put some background Punjabi this thing, beats. Punjabi beats or Punjabi, not song, just instrumental kind of a thing. Utsav, beta, what are you going to speak on? Okay, beta, I will send you my audio after the class. Fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Everybody is sorted. Now, who is going to speak on what? For everyone, we have sorted out now. Nobody is left. Oh, only Rachit, you have not told beta what you are going to speak on. Only you are left in the class. This presentation is compulsory for all students.
Places and monuments.
I can't hear you, Rachit. Speak it once.
Places and monuments.
Places and monuments.
Ma'am, can you check the chat box, please, once?
Okay. Ma'am, can I include short? Include in short food, clothes, famous? Yes, you can, beta. You can include. Okay, so we are done with this project work now. Let's come back to our chapter that we were doing. Till where have we done the question answers of chapter 19?
Ma'am, we have not started
Ma'am, we
yet.
have to start.
Okay, we have not started. So hurry up and let's start.
We have not done the exercises.
And ma'am, we have to discuss exercises.
Okay,
First
then
of
we
all,
have to
we have to
discuss
discuss
exercises. Then let's start discussing. Were you able to do the exercises on your own? I told you to do them on your own. Did I tell you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You have tell and we
Yes,
have
ma'am.
done also.
Okay, so let's discuss.
Ma'am,
Abhay,
yes,
Yes.
ma'am. Discuss.
read
Yes,
out
ma'am.
the first one.
A. Fill in the blanks. First, smoke causes dash. Ma'am, can I tell the answer also?
Yes.
Air pollution.
Very good. Smoke causes what? Smoke causes air pollution. Second, Hiram, read out the second one.
The second is petroleum is a dash. Ma'am, can I tell the answer also?
Yes.
The answer is fossil fuel.
Very good. Petroleum is a fossil fuel. Then next. Next, who will read? Abhimanyu Shivastav. Read out the third one. Abhimanyu Shivastav. Read out the third sentence, beta. Okay, Rachit, you read out.
Drinking polluted water can cause dash. Can I tell the answer?
Yes, tell.
Water because diseases.
Waterborne diseases. B-O-R-N-E. Waterborne diseases. Drinking polluted water can cause any kind of disease that comes with water. So any kind of disease that comes with water is a waterborne disease. Okay. Then next.
Ma'am, what is the answer of third
Devar.
one?
Waterborne diseases, beta. Waterborne diseases.
Noise pollution can lead to dash problems. Ma'am, hearing.
Very nice. Noise pollution can lead to hearing problems. Then the next one, last one, who will tell? Utsav Gangwar. Utsav, read out the last one.
Ma'am, I think all the students attend the class, but ma'am, I don't know where they have gone.
Actually, Abhimanyu is sitting on his terrace. Utsav is not replying. Okay, Lakshita, you tell.
Dash are the diseases caused by drinking contaminated water. Ma'am, the diseases are dysentery, jaundice, and diarrhea.
Very nice. Dysentery, jaundice, and diarrhea are caused by drinking contaminated water. Then, answer in one word. Jayesh, read out the first one. Jayesh, are you there? Okay. Abhimanyu,
Who's
Jayesh,
replying?
and who is missing?
Only some students are
Utsav.
replying.
I don't know. Utsav, where were you?
Ma'am, my mother's call has come.
Okay. Now you read out the first answer, the first sentence of answer in one word.
Okay, ma'am. The things that pollute the environment are called pollutants, ma'am.
Very nice. The things that pollute the environment are called pollutants. Very good. Then next.
No, ma'am, the second one answer is pollution. Ma'am, the first one can pollution.
What are you saying?
No,
here?
ma'am. First one is pollutant.
First one is pollutant. Beta, anything? Say.
Ma'am, but in the second one, what we will write?
The agents that pollute the environment. Now, what are the agents? Agents are the places from where pollution comes. It comes from air, it comes from water, and it comes from forests.
Factories.
Air, water,
Ma'am, factories
and
also.
forests.
Okay, ma'am. Air, water,
And
air.
anything that pollutes the environment is called pollutant. Fine?
Okay.
Then
Yes.
the third one. What is the third one?
Ma'am,
Contamination of the environment.
What is it called?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes. Tell, Varun.
Environmental contamination.
Yes. Contamination of the
Environmental
environment is environmental contamination. Okay.
Liquid waste.
Then the fourth
Yes,
one.
ma'am.
Lakshita,
Ma'am,
read
can
out
I?
the fourth one. Okay, Dev, Arya, you read out.
Liquid waste from factories.
What is
Ma'am,
it?
water waste.
Yes. Waterways. Now, match the following. Methane matches to what?
Ma'am,
Garbage. Ma'am, garbage.
Ma'am, garbage.
This methane gas is formed near the garbage. Then sulfuric acid comes down in?
ma'am, burning garbage. Ma'am, burning garbage.
Ma'am, acid rain.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, acid rain. Ma'am, acid rain.
Acid rain. Then we have carbon monoxide.
Ma'am,
burning garbage. Ma'am, vehicles.
Ma'am, vehicles.
Carbon monoxide is released from vehicles. And then in the end, carbon dioxide.
Ma'am, burning garbage.
Ma'am, burning garbage.
Burning of garbage. This carbon dioxide. Okay. Now everybody write down question number 1. Put today's date and write down question number 1 from answer in short. Answer in brief.
Only one page is
Ma'am,
left.
I have already written.
You have already written. Very nice. Very good. Let others write.
Ma'am, please, I am writing.
Haan, beta, I'm waiting. No worries.
Ma'am, can we write any two sources of pollution?
First of all, tell me what are the two sources of pollution?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Can I tell?
ma'am,
Yes, tell.
Ma'am, the two sources of
trees
pollution
and the
natural and
vehicles.
man-made pollutions.
Yes?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, natural
the
and handmade.
two sources of pollution are factories.
Okay, very nice. So
Ma'am,
in
can I
Ma'am, what
tell?
is this?
Okay, children, here in this answer, we can write the sources as man-made source and natural source. Okay. Or you can directly write like one source, you can write the wildfires or volcanic eruptions. That comes under what? Natural source of pollution. And the other one, the smoke from factories or burning of garbage. This is what? Man-made pollution. Okay. So the two sources of pollution are, what will you write? Tell me.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
natural
volcanic
and
eruptions
man-made.
and
Natural and
ma'am,
man-made.
Ma'am, we
Okay,
can write
I am
natural and
typing.
man-made.
Children, I am typing the answer in the chat.
Smoke from factory.
I am typing the answer in the chat box. See from there. The answer is in the chat box. Everyone can see from there. Like smoke from factories. Okay. A, I think, has mistakenly come. Smoke from factories and volcanic eruptions.
Ma'am, can you see my message?
Yes, of course. That is a very nice idea.
Okay, ma'am.
What do we call these lines that come in the background while we are speaking? What are these called? These are called subtitles. Whenever you watch a movie on TV and the dialogues are the dialogues appear at the bottom of the screen, so we call them the subtitles. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Ma'am, what is answer number 2?
Everyone has done answer 1.
Ma'am, I am writing out question 2.
What are pesticides? Now, who is going to tell what are pesticides?
Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
Yes.
Ma'am, the answer is a chemical used for killing insects is called pesticides.
Very nice. What are pesticides? Answer number 2. Pesticides are chemicals used to kill insects and pests. that grow on crops. Done, children? Take a screenshot of this one because the class will get over at 1:50. Take the screenshot, and from answer number 3 we are going to do tomorrow.
Ma'am, why we do tomorrow?
Because the school gets over at 1:50. Right?
Okay.
And look at the time. What's the time? It's 1:49.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, my time and your time are same. Ma'am, but others' teacher time are different from me.
Ma'am, my also there is one.
See, the school has got over, and we have already started getting messages from groups. Children have started posting their work. So children, bye to all of you. Do your work. Good. Those who have not done, take a screenshot. I'm ending the meeting here. Bye. See you in the next class.
Bye, ma'am.